Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevy Trailblazer LS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really in nice shape. Backup camera, alloy wheels, information center. Beautiful vehicle, inside and out. We'll go ahead and take a look at some of the features on it in a moment. But let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, take a look at the body of it. Let's take a close look here. Front light in the front looks perfect, looks brand new. Headlamp also in beautiful condition, very nice. Bumpers in beautiful shape. Does have a little bit of touch up here and here. Besides that, looks perfect. Grille on the bottom looks good, very nice condition. The other headlamp also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. This chrome piece does have a small imperfection on it here, as you can see there. Besides that, looks perfect. Very nice. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks brand new. Very nice condition. Super clean. Paint is in beautiful condition there. Very nice. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in outstanding shape. No chips, no marks on it. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, has a small little touch up there on the edge of this here. A couple small little marks here on the paint. Besides that, looks perfect. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. No marks, nothing to show there. Take a look at the glass. Mirror. Beautiful condition. Super, super clean. Take a look at the rear door. On the driver's side, also in amazing condition, nothing to show there. Super clean throughout, very nice. Take a look at the quarter panel. Driver's side, looks perfect, no marks or anything on it. Very clean, super, super clean. Take a look at the rear bumper, looks amazing. Really nice condition, super clean. Lift gate back here looks beautiful, clean throughout. It's got that rear wiper. This car also is equipped with backup camera. Let's take a look at the camera down here. Really nice. Rear lights look perfect. Brand new condition. Vehicle only has like 8,000 miles in it. Really amazing shape. Take a look at the quarter panel. On the passenger side rear, amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, also in amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Passenger door in the front, also in amazing condition. Very nice. Let's take a look at the mirror. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Okay, we're looking at the front fender. On the passenger side, looks amazing. Clean throughout, nothing to show there. We already looked at the windshield. Take a look at the roof. No dings or dents, no scratches on it. Looks brand new. Let's give it a complete walk around up here. Very nice. Really in outstanding condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. Really in outstanding condition. 2021, about 8,000 miles in it. Really in beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks brand new. Look at that, really outstanding shape. It's got a pocket down there for storage. Look at the armrest, looks brand new. All the controls are in beautiful condition. Power locks, really nice. Take a look at the interior. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Look at the armrest on there. It looks amazing. Controls are in beautiful shape. Take a look at that storage compartment there. Very nice. Looking at the passenger seat in the front. Really beautiful condition. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard, everything looks brand new on this vehicle. Really in outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Look at the armrest back here. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Very nice condition. It's got a large floor mat back here. Really nice. Up above, liner looks brand new. Very nice condition. Take a look at the passenger side door panel in the back. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controls. Really nice condition. It's got a little storage compartment there. Very nice. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Super clean. We're sitting inside this 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key fob on it. Really nice. It's got lock, unlock, panic, original Chevrolet key. It's got a little flip key out. Very nice. So as long as this key's inside the vehicle with you, you should be able to go ahead and start it right up. Insert the key here on the side. There you go. Turn it right on. Perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. Let's first take a look at the mileage. The mileage right now is 8,702 miles. Really nice. You can see there all the gauges are fully functional. Beautiful. It has an information center there in the middle. We'll take a look at that in a moment, but let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on it first. So we got power windows, power mirrors. Very nice. Power locks, automatic lights. Very nice there. It's got the collision assist in the front. So if you get too close to a car, it'll brake for you automatically. That's a nice feature. This is for you can speak your commands, Bluetooth. These are all the controls in here for that upper thing over there. On the back here, it's got the controls for the radio. You can raise and lower the volume and change stations back there. Really nice. Take a look at that nice information center in the center. Beautiful. Let's click on that there. We've got audio, phone, Wi-Fi, settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course, OnStar service. So we can go back to the home page there. Really nice. It shows you the temperature outside and it shows you what time it is. Really nice. Down beneath here, we're going to look at the AC. Beautiful. Down there you have a USB plug. Got the small with the large one, auxiliary. Power plug there for your phone. Parking brake, automatic transmission. I'm guessing here you have manual shift modes if you put it on L. Down on the bottom here, you've got this is like the lane assist. It keeps you inside the lane, lets you know when there's a car there. Very nice. Traction control. And this is the automatic off. So this vehicle, when you're sitting at the light or whatever, if you have this turned on, the engine will turn off to conserve fuel. So as you can see there, it says auto stop. See that? So that's a really cool feature. And then we're taking a look here on the top here. I just pressed that button down there and I activated the lane assist there. See that? It's turned on right now. And this is the collision one there. So this will actually brake for you. If you're getting too close to a car, it'll brake for you. And then you can set the settings shorter or longer. I'm pressing the button right here and that's what it's doing. See that? Really nice. And that's for the lane. That's beautiful. It's a really nice feature. A lot of these new cars are coming with that. So let's go through the screen here for the information center that's there. Get a little closer there, we can see better. Okay, US. Remaining fuel 99%. Oil, air filter life, very nice. Tire pressure sensors all the way around. The distance, really cool. Let's go to the next thing here. We got econo there. Trip computer, shows you the miles and the trip computer there. The range till empty, that's nice. It's a good feature there. Economy, 23 miles per gallon. Average speed, really nice. So we'll go ahead and we're going to go ahead and leave it on the miles per hour there, since we're going to test drive it in a little bit. Now let's take a closer look here at the radio. We just went into all the features there. We showed you what the Bluetooth looks like, Wi-Fi, settings, that's for language, all that good stuff, Wi-Fi and settings, display, really nice. Apple CarPlay, cancel out of that, Android Auto, and OnStar. When you go like this, you put it back on the same place there. So if you get a phone call or whatever, you'll be able to view who's calling you there. That's your memory on top for your stations. And this, I believe, has AM/FM auxiliary, which is down there on the bottom. You can plug in your phone here with auxiliary. And then, of course, I'm pretty sure it has XM radio available. So that's a nice feature, really nice. It's got a nice pocket there to store stuff in the middle. It's got an armrest there with storage on the bottom, very nice. Take a look up above, that's where your OnStar button is, your SOS button's up there on top. It's got this controls when you open the doors, then you have your separate courtesy lights there. Very nice. Vanity mirror for the driver, one for the passenger. Take a look at the liner. The liner's brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Interior's in flawless condition. Looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the dashboard. Amazing condition there. Very nice. Can't get any better than that. Okay. And here on the steering wheel, we have the controls we showed you before. Here's the control for the lights, front and rear wipers. Very nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. Be right back. Set to take it for a test drive. Let's go. It's already putting gear here. Very nice. Here we go. Try smooth. Only 8,000 miles on this. Drives like a brand new car. Really nice drive. Steering feels good. Brakes feel nice and tight. Let me show you another cool feature this vehicle has. It has backup camera. So when you put it in reverse, it shows you right there. And it has those little lines which way the vehicle is going to roll when you're backing up. Look at that. Perfect. It's really useful. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys, well, that's our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, take a look under the hood, and take a look at those tires. We're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Really nice. Good amount of space back here. Those seats fold forward in case you need more space. It's got a light back here. Really nice. A couple small pockets here on the sides in case you want to put your stuff in there. Down beneath, look at the spare tire. Really nice. Spare tire, all the tools beneath it. It's got a license plate holder for the front. Really a lot of room back here. Very nice shape. Taking a look under the hood, engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look here. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Looks brand new. Okay, take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tires in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Continental tires all the way around. Really in amazing shape. Rim does have a little scratch right there and there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tires in outstanding condition, brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Beautiful condition. Does have a little mark right there on the rim. Besides that, looks beautiful. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tires in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in outstanding condition. Look at that. Take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire is brand new. Look at that tire there. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Continental tires all the way around. Very nice. Okay, well, this vehicle is a rebuild title. We're going to go ahead and review what was replaced. The lower grille was replaced. Hood, passenger side headlamp, passenger side lower lamp. This molding here, fender and hood. All those items were replaced, painted to match. Came out really nice and beautiful condition. The only item that wasn't able to get replaced was this chrome piece here. It has a little mark there on the chrome. GM did not have it available. It was on back order, so we went ahead and just finished the car like that. So if you do purchase the vehicle, it comes with that little mark there on the chrome. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 with 8,000 miles in it. Really in beautiful condition inside and out. Really amazing shape. If you have any questions on it, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NationalAutoSaleLLC.com. Thanks for watching.